Hello and welcome to day 54 of the 100 Days Challenge while building projects in public. Today, as I advanced yesterday, I was not sure if I wanted to do too much, so yesterday we finished the first godot game, that was the tutorial one, and today I was doubting if I wanted to start the new things or if I would wait until tomorrow that I have more time, because today I had a few things to do, and basically I spent the day thinking on that. And I came up with the final decision that I will start my own game, because if I take another tutorial, I fear that I will just waste time on the tutorial part, because until you don't face the issues yourself, you will not find the issues at all, because I'm just otherwise copying someone else's code and steps and everything. So yeah, today I just was thinking on what to build exactly and which would be the project and how I will be sharing that. I initially planned on sharing everything, so it means recording the whole process, starting since I create the project, start record button, and then after some hours finish the recording and having some quite long videos. However, and I actually started like that, so almost 1 hour ago I started recording the video, and after 30 minutes I had to stop because I was not feeling confident. I guess it's okay to do it that way if you know exactly what you are doing, but since I'm quite a noob in that case with Godot and everything, I was doing things wrong, so I was repeating the same things, and I don't want that to be taken as an example of anything. So I decided that I would instead just keep with the 5 to 10 minutes videos with summaries on what the day has brought, like I did with the other 2 days following the tutorial. I was working for a couple of hours, then the video, just as you see, it's under 10 minutes. So that is my plan, and basically if I get more confidence, maybe in the future I can take longer videos doing the full coding session on any of the parts. But however, I want to take today just to share exactly what I'm gonna be building. So here you can see I have an empty project that I created now it's 1 hour ago, and here on the top you can see that the project is called Maze Rush. Basically, this process of thinking and coming up with the idea just went with this. So basically I'm thinking of building a Godot 3D mobile game that it's a maze where the player sees the maze from an above list. I said list, but I wanted to say view, and then it just enters and needs to exit before some time passes in the first 30-person view. And basically it added the different things, the core loop, the scene structure that he would do, some code, some ideas, some visuals, some ways to monetize and everything. And here I said, how would you call this game? So make it catchy so that it can go viral. It gave me a few ideas, and I like the first one, that it's Maze Rush, because at the end it feels fast and urgent and it's easy to remember and a great app store fit. I just like that one over the other one, so I'll go with this. Then I tried to ask for the scene hierarchy with the node types. It has given me this, then it has suggested that it creates some scripts, but then is when I started just trusting whatever ChatGPT was saying, and I don't want this to be like that, because I would otherwise just have script like that I'm not sure why the light energy is 2. So if I don't know that it's setting the light energy to 2, I would never understand in the future if I have any issue why I'm doing that. So instead of that, I will not take anything into account despite of this part. No, actually this part I would take it, because I want to understand which would be their preferred scene structure and understand why it's gonna be the grid map or not the mesh instances or those kind of things. So I'm gonna try to take ideas from that, but I want to start from the very beginning. So my idea is to start creating one player, one terrain, just a player that moves around. Then it can have a UI where I have a start. I see the 5 seconds from the top of the map, and then I go on the first person view. then I will start adding the maze, the things. So this is my idea of how tomorrow I will do. But as I said, I'm not planning on recording all this process, so instead I will record at the very end a recap video of what the day has brought. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with the first video on my new game, Maze Rush.